Hello everyone and welcome back to Why Not, your friend Roger again with the section Collect with me. Today with something a little bit different, as everyone read in the thumbnail. Basketball cards. Today, no basketball cards. Today I have Oasis memorabilia cards. I was in the concert a couple of weeks ago in London. Amazing band, amazing rock band. One of my top 3 or the best one in the world in this moment. Not sure, but for me, top 3. So anyway, I was checking or searching for some memorabilia on the internet. For me, I buy from time to time from some rock and roll bands and some stuff like this for my office upstairs. Some signs or some things related with bands. Now that I was in London again in the concert, I started to check, searching for things about Oasis, and I found these cards from Iconic Cards, memorabilia cards. Supposedly it's just 1,000 boxes. I wish it's true, or supposedly it's true, but anyway, I purchased both of them and 55 euros every box. Sorry guys, a little bit here. Okay. 55 euros every box. I was checking in the website. The original price was 85 pounds, around 95 euros. So I'm not sure why I just pay 110, 55 euros every box. So I hope this is the real deal. Is everything close as you see, guys? Let's rip this different chase of, yes, I don't know how to describe this. Something different here to the channel that we are not used to it. I'm not used to it. Again, I hope this is the real deal. I pay 55 every box, 110 euros together. Oasis is one of the best bands, like I said before. If it's not the best band, rock and roll band at this moment, it's one of the top 3 in the world, making live concerts in this moment. Look for Tony McCarroll number on card signatures, numbered card, and look for ultra rare Noel Gallagher personally owned guitar Electrum cards. Electrum is like the, how you call this easy way, the pick for the guitar or something like this. So here's more info if you wanna pause and check. I was searching for some videos on the internet and YouTube, but I didn't find much. So pictures, yes, I found a couple of pictures, and prices, a lot of crazy prices. Again, I don't know why I paid just 55. I hope it's the real deal, like I said. We're gonna open it together. And like everyone can see, for example, this is the 562 of 1,000, and this one the 188 of 1,000. So let's open this one, the 188. Wish me some luck, guys. Today no basketball cards, today something a little bit different. Let's see. Okay, nice. Everything close like I see in the videos. Everything close. One guy opened here and he found something different. Was a little bit lucky. I check a video, the guy take out this paper and was here an extra card. So I was not lucky about this moment. Put the box here, put the other box here. And this one is the normal cards, and this the 2 chase cards. Chase here, put the box here, and let's see, guys.
Wish me
some luck here. Let's see. So normal cards from Iconic Cards, Oasis. Okay, have the person here. Beautiful cards. So it's the real deal. I pay a good price. I was lucky. This one is also a beautiful card. Okay. And third card. Nice pictures. Fourth card. Okay. You see the back. There is some info that happened in the day of the photo shooting. If you want to read, you can read there. Let's check the other ones. Monday 29 November 93, Manchester, UK. Amazing concept again, amazing concept. Info if you want to read. I'm doing it a little bit slow because usually again I don't open these things and there's not many videos in YouTube, so I want just that you see what is going on with these iconic cards from Oasis. So, okay, this is the first 4 iconic cards. With a little bit of love, and then we have the 2 chase. Both the same, no difference. Let's see. Let's cross our fingers for something cool here. Iconic cards. Okay, a sign. And let's see. Signature. Congratulations, you have found an unique number limited edition on card autograph of James Fry. James Fry is the guy who takes the pictures. Really nice, really nice. 41 out of 50. Here we go. 41 out of 50. The guy who takes the pictures. Really nice, really nice, really nice. Okay, let's put this one here. And we have the last card. Let's see. Nice, a lenticular. Okay, lenticular. Okay, let me see. Okay, hope the camera can catch really what is going on here. This lenticular. Now I'll move the head. And in the back, the guys, all of them look to the camera. Here I'm just looking to the other side and then look at the camera also. It's really nice. And congratulations, you found a limited edition lenticular Oasis trading card. Only 100 of each card has been produced. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Nice. Was real, man. It was real. I was a little bit afraid, you know, because the price was a little bit really cheap. When you compare to the prices, the other prices, or the original price, it's really cheap. Almost I paid half of the price, really half of the price, kind of. So nothing for us here. In the back, and we have again 3 packs. This one with 4 cards. Hopefully they're not the same. If they are the same, yes, we can do not much about it. Let's see. Okay, I believe we have this one here. Yes, we have this one already. Then second card. Okay, they're all the same. I always just like to have all the same. Looks like. Doesn't matter. And this one is different. Yes, this one is the same. Yes, it's the same. It's actually all the same. The fourth card. Ah, we have something different here. What's the difference? Here in the first box we have this one. Second box was this one that is actually the same as the lenticular. Lenticular, of course, move a little bit. Some visual effect. Picture is just a picture. And here's the info if you want to read the info of this card. Monday 29th November 93, Manchester. Okay. So here we go, guys. Beautiful cards, the real deal. Again, I was a little bit afraid. If you lost your money, you know, but who wants to lose their money? People. So again, 2 packs, 2 slabs with a card on it. Let's see. And here comes this picture with a sign. Nice. Amazing. This gonna looks amazing with the other things of Oasis that I have. Nice. And let's read. You can read there, guys. This is Tony McCarroll. And let's see what is here about Tony McCarroll. Okay. Here we go. Tony McCarroll on card signature. 1 of 50. What's 1 of 10 boxes? 1 of 10 boxes. Tony McCarroll signature on card signature. Right, 2 different ones on card signature, and then on card signature all odds 1 of 3. Don't understand. I just know that is the sign is on card and it's an autograph card. Amazing. Nice. I'm really happy. And last but not least, guys, usually I will say last pack magic. Today not. Today is a little bit different for all the rock and roll guys here, old school and also young guys. We have here another these cards like we had before. Here we go. Or not? Yes. Lenticular. Okay. Here you can see. Hopefully the camera is catching what is going on here. A little bit hard with all the reflection of my lights and stuff, but hopefully you can see. Here's the back. You have found a limited edition of Lenticular Oasis trading cards. Only 100 of each card has been produced. Again, iconic cards. Nice. Really nice, guys. If you're a fan of Oasis and you have some money left in your pockets, in your bank account, not much, don't spend your money on crazy things, but if you are lucky with me to have some nice price, I recommend this 100%. Beautiful. So again, we open the 188, we open the 562,000. The info we have here, the box and the cards again. Really fast. A couple of them the same, a couple not. Beautiful. So Some memorabilia was just 100% like really nice. So again, guys, thank you for watching. Today was something a little bit different, a little bit crazy. This is not part of what I like to do in the channel, but I know many people like me love Oasis, of everything that is happening now with all the concerts around the world. That's why I decide to share with you guys. As always, sharing is caring. That's why I do it. If you like, guys, like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate every like, every subscription, every comment. If you don't like something, you can comment. It's no problem. We are here learning about these things. And if you know someone who like basketball cards, we open some basketball cards packs, and also from time to time I show some of my toys that I collect through the years. But from time to time also I pre-order. So thank you, guys, and peace, my people.